What's up? Welcome back to Achieve. We have a really interesting video for you today, one that you're sure to enjoy. However, before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Oh, and hit the bell icon too, so that you can get notified about all our upcoming videos. Alright, so we all know that millionaires and billionaires are extremely rich. But what we really want to know is, how similar are they? What are the differences within the life of a billionaire versus a millionaire? Let's dive right in and answer that question. Pretty much everybody has dreams and ambitions. Some people aim to have just enough money to live a happy life, while others desire successful lives of immense luxury. Of the most ambitious people, many do aspire to be billionaires. However, when they begin to see the relative ease of becoming a millionaire, and are faced with the mountain of challenges between that path and becoming a billionaire, they abandon their quest for greater wealth. The majority of ambitious people have done this without even realizing it. They give up on winning the ultimate quest, because they simply do not want to risk what they have amassed so far. Typically, ordinary people don't see much of a distinction between millionaires and billionaires, categorizing them on roughly the same level of wealthiness, and believing their lives to be pretty much the same. However, even more so than a few zeros and an extra comma, the difference is jarringly enormous. For example, out of the 7,674,000,000 people in the world, around 46,800,000 are millionaires. Which means that for every 164 people, there is one millionaire. Now, while this fact may seem crazy, it's nothing close to the statistic relating to billionaires. Because, when it comes to billionaires, there are a mere 2,755 in the world. Meaning that there are close to 2.8 million people for every single billionaire. According to these statistics, millionaires are not exceptionally rare, but rather, simply uncommon. While billionaires are incredibly rare creatures, making up just 0.000004% of the world's population. This low percentage shows that becoming a billionaire is extremely tough to do, and probably not everyone's cup of tea. Because, while it takes quite a lot of courage, intelligence, and hard work to become a millionaire, it takes 1,000 times more to become a billionaire. So, now that we've covered the statistical differences between the two richest groups in our society, let's take a look at a few specific differences between the two. Mindset. Billionaires have a contrasting mindset to millionaires, and this is a huge difference. They aren't smarter, wiser, or luckier than millionaires. They just always see the bigger picture, and the fact that they have billions is a result of this vision. One reason why billionaires love growing their wealth is because it only comes by fulfilling their vision, like the satisfaction of winning a chess match. Material wealth. Billionaires own a greater number of homes, all with larger buildings and more acres. They also own many more luxurious cars, private jets, private islands, and yachts than millionaires do. Global influence. There is one simple sentence that highlights the difference in influence that these two types of individuals can have on the world. Millionaires are motivated by the desire to change their own lives, while billionaires are driven by the desire to change the world. Company size. While a millionaire could easily be the CEO of a large corporation, like Levi Strauss or Boeing, the CEO or founder of any extremely large corporation like Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon, is almost guaranteed to be a billionaire. So, now that we understand the key differences between millionaires and billionaires, it's clear to all of us that becoming a millionaire can be achieved simply with enough drive. However, you also now understand that becoming a billionaire requires immense planning, focus, ambition, and dedication. So if you aspire to be that 1 in 2.8 million, now is the time to start taking action. If you were inspired or entertained by our video today, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section below. Also achievers, always remember to dream big. See you next time.